I've seen a lot of you on my inbox trying to ask me my views and my opinion regarding the new compensation framework that was proposed by President Ruto and was established on the 8th of August 2025 with the aim of compensating both the civilians and the police who are injured and murdered during the 2025-2024 political unrest and economic protests. This is my view. The framework that was done and proposed through a presidential proclamation to me is irregular, unconstitutional, and should be disbanded. Not because we are not human enough to feel for the families that require to be compensated, but we think to close the chapter once and for all, we need to be